Welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. Thanks for watching and thanks for tuning in. This is my kitchen and behind the camera is Michael. Michael, say hi to everyone.
Hi everyone.
Okay guys, so today, I know I haven't made a video for a while, but like I said before, I'm back and we're gonna make brownies again. But this time, these are just regular brownies that we have made before together. But I wanna teach you guys how to make the marble brownies, right Michael?
Oh yeah.
That's what we're gonna call it. And what we're gonna do is, okay, so this is my my brownie mix.
That's right.
You know, that you put the eggs, the oil in the water, mix it, bam, bam, that's it. So what we're gonna do is, I have some sour cream from some tacos, Mexican food that we made the other day. Remember, Michael?
That's right.
So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take these two things of sour cream that I have here. I wanna use it. This is how you make, excuse me, Michael, marble brownies. Take 1 cup of sugar, brown sugar. Put it in there. I'm gonna take some cinnamon, like that, and we're gonna also put some vanilla. Okay, and then we're gonna take this spoon that I have here. I should have gotten a fork. And we're just gonna mix. Okay, here we go. See, it's raw. It already smells good, Mike. Smell it. Yes or no? Already smells yummy. So we're just gonna put this
Vanilla
in here like that. Yeah. I think I made too much of it. What do you think? Well, we're gonna put it all
Okay,
over.
we can save some for later.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. You'll eat it like that? Okay. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, here's my tray with the butter that I buttered. I don't know what Michael's talking about, people, but don't pay attention to him. This is me, just so you can show everybody. Just some tomatoes and some salad that I have there, and I'm boiling some water because I want to make some. I'm gonna make some pasta for me and the boys. I make for the boys and my husband, and I'm gonna guess I get to serve him. You know what I'm saying? That's the only thing that I get to do. Wow, I love this. You know, I'm gonna like stick my finger in there and lick it at least once, right?
No, you can't do that,
I
Mama.
know, but damn, look how pretty that looks. Let me get a spoon because there's more stuff, you know? So I want to take all that brownie mix. Okay, sorry. With my spoon. Michael, come on. Put it over here so you don't want to see it? Okay. So there you go. I'm just pouring it. You know what I'm saying, guys? Because we don't want to leave our stuff there, right?
That's right.
And then you're gonna, you know,
Spread around.
spread it around, you know. So I'm just gonna go like this with my hands, and move it around. So all the corners, you see, I just want all the corners to have, you know what I'm saying, guys? Let it be full. And then we're gonna come here, and this is our sour cream. So that's why they're gonna be, what do you call them, Michael? Swirl brownies?
Marble brownies.
Marble brownies. Yeah, sorry. Do is, let me take a bigger spoon.
At the end of
Here
end of
we
the
are,
stick.
guys. And bam, 1. What do you think, Michael? 4 of them?
Oh yeah.
2, 3, 4. Like that? Or you want one more?
Nope, that's perfect.
That's good. That's perfect. And then I have the oven ready at 350. And then with something pointy like this.
Actually, a stick.
Well, this is good. I know. But I don't have a stick. I can get a straw.
Right there.
Where? One of these?
Yeah.
No, but they're not thin enough. You know what I'm saying? No, this is good with this. So then what you do is you can take a fork, you can take the back of a spoon, whatever you want. Let me do that. A knife. It'll be better. And then I'll put it in the oven. Look how pretty it already looks, right?
Oh yeah.
See? Look at the design, guys.
Guess you don't need a stick. Any
No, you
stick-like object.
Yeah, so here we go. And they're going in the oven. I know I like that a little bit. Made my stomach gonna hurt, but I had to do that. Look how pretty they are. We're gonna put them in the oven, and this is how you make your marble brownies. I'm gonna close that. And how long they gonna be in there, Mike?
About 30 minutes.
30 minutes? Okay, so let's put this. Oh no. At 350, right?
That's right.
For a timer, 30 minutes is 10, 15, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, start. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back in half hour. All right, so we're back. Let's take this out. Wow, Michael, look how that is. How do you
Wow.
like that, Mike?
It smells really good.
And now, yeah, so I have to wait for it to cool down. And when it's cooled down, we'll be back in 15 minutes so we can cut it. And that's what your marble brownies will be looking like. I'm gonna put them over here because that way it'll be more cool. So we'll be right back. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and thanks for watching. Hey guys, thanks for coming back, and I'm sorry that I'm sitting down here, but my leg hurts. I have some veins on my leg, and it's a lot of times when I'm standing too much, they get swollen and my leg hurts, so they gave up. So here we are with our marble brownies that we made together. So I think it's cool enough, so here we go. I'm gonna cut so we can make, you know, guys, slices. So that's 1, 2, 3 rolls, and one more. We'll make 5, right? Then
Oh, yeah.
across, and then again, right? Look at that. 1, and we're gonna make 3, 6, 9, 15 of them. See? I can't even lick that. I wish I could, but I can't. And now we're gonna start taking them out. Here we go. Slowly, but surely. But you see what I'm doing, guys? I am lifting from the sides, the whole thing, so we can take it out slow, you know, because we don't want to, like, right, guys?
Oh yeah.
We don't want to, like, mess it up or anything like that. Okay, so here we go. Uh-oh. I always get scared taking them out, but hold on a second, okay, guys? I know they are already done, but it's just a pain in the neck sometimes. I'm gonna have to get like another like thing to make my my brownies, Michael. That is right here we go. That's 2 of them. As you can see, they're marble, right? They're still hot. That's why they're breaking. But I just wanted like to start taking them out so you guys can see them. Can see that, Mike?
Oh yeah.
Okay, hold on a second. Let me take these 2 out. Okay, see 2 more? This is how they look. So this is your delicious
Whoa.
marble brownies, guys, okay? And I'm gonna keep on taking the other ones as I go out, and I just wanted to show you guys more or less how they look, and I wanted to wrap this up and tell you guys thanks for watching. And if you want to go ahead and try making it yourself, go ahead. The recipe is right below. All you gotta do is just click on the link, and it will take you directly, you know, to the video that will be available for all you guys to watch on YouTube. So with that, I'm going to let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook. Right, Teddy? Let me put Teddy over here. Stay, Teddy. Look at the camera. All them channels, Google+, Pinterest, Patreon, down below. If you want to donate $1, $5, $10, $20, we take anything you guys want to donate. So with that, I'm going to let you guys go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't drink and drive. And lots and loves from Cindy's Kitchen. Michael, say bye to everyone.
Bye everyone.
Oh, peace out.